Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spaghetti sauce Filipino style. Start by sautéing garlic and onion until fragrant, then add ground meat and brown thoroughly. Stir in banana ketchup, tomato sauce, a touch of sugar, and a splash of vinegar to balance sweetness and acidity. Add sliced hot dogs, simmer gently for depth, and finish with grated cheese and a little butter for creaminess. In this video, I will show how to make spaghetti sauce Filipino style. Gather banana ketchup, tomato sauce, ground meat, sliced hot dogs, garlic, onion, sugar, vinegar, and grated cheese. Use medium heat to combine sautéed aromatics with brown meat, then add the sauces and seasonings. Simmer to thicken, taste for balance, and adjust sugar or vinegar to your preference. Finish with grated cheese and a small pat of butter for shine. In this video, I will show how to make spaghetti sauce Filipino style. Quick recommendation: if you're cooking all day, grab the Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and avoid sticky hands on the spatula. It seals tight and looks great on the counter. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make spaghetti sauce Filipino style. Begin by sweating garlic and onion, then brown ground meat and drain excess fat. Add banana ketchup and tomato sauce, stir in sugar and a splash of vinegar, then drop in sliced hot dogs. Let the sauce simmer gently for at least 15 minutes so flavors deepen. Stir occasionally, finish with grated cheese, and serve over pasta whenever ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.